Here, we brought a piece of fascinating data for every one of the brokers and financial backers who most certainly are infatuated with exchanging. One of the greatest crypto resources is Ethereum, and it explicitly is additionally notable as ETH. Further in this video, you will learn about Ethereum cost forecast for certain most ordinarily explicitly clarified pressing issues. Presently, everybody realizes that cryptocurrency is an exceptionally conspicuous computerized resource in an especially huge manner. In this video, you will learn about ETH cost forecast and must-know insights concerning it on the off chance that you sort of are new to crypto speculation, which is genuinely huge. The authorities have just planned the digital money to function as a vehicle of trade, which is genuinely critical. ETH is correct now barely the best coin to mine after BTC, and many are financial planning moreover. Subsequently, it is essential to really realize the ETH price prediction, which could clear some mist, or so they thought. Before straightforwardly jumping to Ethereum cost expectation 2022, we prescribe you to peruse the "in every way that really matters" whole post in light of the fact that in this way you will by and large see a greater picture. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain framework that implements its own digital money, Ether. ETH functions as a stage for various other digital currencies. It was first depicted in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, alongside the prime supporters, got financing for the undertaking in a web-based public group deal in the mid-year of 2014 in a genuinely significant manner. Alongside this, the undertaking group likewise basically figured out how to bring around $18 million up in Bitcoin and Ethereum cost in the ICO with genuinely in excess of 60 million Ether sold, which is very critical. The Ethereum Foundation additionally sent off the blockchain formally on July 30, 2015, under the codename Wilderness. Since then, at that point, there have been a few organization refreshes, as opposed to mainstream thinking. You may likewise actually look at those reports on commonly a few sites on Google. There are around 8 prime supporters of the crypto project. Vitalik Buterin, Gavin Wood, Anthony Di Lorio, Charles Hoskinson, Mihai Alisi, Joseph Lubin, and Amir Chetrit are the prime supporter of the Ethereum project. As of the rundown of September 2022, there was around 117.6 million ETH coin available for use, where 72 million were given in the beginning block and 60 million were designated to the initial patrons. Numerous things that ETH coin will beat the cost of BTC, which is exceptionally more uncertain. These sorts of Ethereum cost conjectures are simply excessively questionable and ought to be stayed away from to begin a warm discussion via virtual entertainment. Who is the founder of Ethereum? There are a sum of 8 prime supporters behind the Ethereum coin, which could basically say a genuinely enormous number of tasks. Every one of the individuals were initially met on June 7, 2017, in Zug, Switzerland. The Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is most popular of the pack. He created the first white paper that originally depicted Ethereum in 2013, regardless deals with working on the stage right up till now. Preceding ETH, Buterin helped to establish and compassed for the Bitcoin magazine's news site, which is genuinely huge. Indeed, the second accomplice who was a piece of the task is British software engineer Gavin Wood. He is the second most significant fellow benefactor of ETH in an unobtrusive manner. Alongside this, Anthony Di Lorio, Charles Hoskinson, Mihai Alisi, Joseph Lubin, Amir Chetrit are the other fellow benefactor of the Ethereum coin. Some more data in regards to the very token is accessible in this video, and you may effortlessly look at the most recent reports on the coin in an exceptionally large manner. The expectation of the coin is likewise the main subject the coin, since heaps of individuals look for the forecast. ETH price prediction. From that point onward, cryptocurrency turns into an exceptionally enormous source through which a great many individuals become extremely rich and gain an extremely colossal measure of benefit. Bringing in cash through digital money basically isn't straightforward and not excessively confounded, yet the broker has simply needed to stay up with the latest with the market. thus prior to putting resources into any coin regardless of how much well-known it is. Financial backers ought to continuously take a gander at the technicals and tokenomics, as well as use cases in a significant manner. Our Ethereum cost forecast expresses that after the Ethereum v2 truly send-off cost will likewise increment dramatically. Aside from this, the middle phase of this cryptographic money is the blockchain calculation, and the capabilities and central center is programmability. The capability of Ethereum in every way that really matters helps the clients to create a gain through this, as well as use Ether crypto for all market exchanges. Ethereum empowers engineers to plan and fundamentally work on savvy contracts, which naturally execute tasks under genuinely unambiguous circumstances. These in every practical sense are our Ethereum cost expectations for the impending years. Remember that actually market drifts profoundly basically influence the value activities of the coin in a significant manner. Bitcoin is correct now in a downtrend at the hour of compassing this basic, which implies we cannot anticipate any additions for a couple of impending weeks. ETH price prediction 2022. The assumption for the authorities has plainly said that Ethereum will contact an exceptionally real level ever in 2022, which is $4,710. A future expectation perhaps going to be in kind of genuine in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2022 ETH 2.0 will be live, and we will really see excessive cost activities of ETH coin too. Numerous different sources uncover ETH cost expectation, saying that it could cross $5,000 toward the finish of 2022. ETH coin price prediction 2023. In 2023, the assumption for Ethereum will again contact the pinnacle, and it will especially go greatest to the $5,100 cost mark. The authorities have proactively done their computations in the wake of seeing the past record and valuation of the cash. The sum expressed that Ethereum will be going on top as much in every practical sense, higher in 2023. Ethereum price forecast 2024. In 2024, a few specialized refreshes and the estimate of stages perhaps truly connect with many accomplices and mixes. On the off chance that everything will occur in 2024, obviously the cost of Ethereum will get an exceptionally weighty lift and can be reached the $5,510 cost mark in spite of mainstream thinking. Presently, it will really be entirely gainful to put resources into it, as everybody on the planet is anxious to get an exceptionally enormous profit from their venture as a matter of fact. Thus, remain associated with us to realize more data connected with the forthcoming industry subtleties, or so they really thought. Ethereum price prediction generally is truly difficult to say, and nobody understands what will occur in store for BTC, which exceptionally influences